All right, so today for spelling and phonics, we're gonna stay away from compound words today. I think meeting with some of you in reading groups and looking at the work you've turned in, a lot of you understand compound words, which is awesome because now you can read those super duper long words in your reading, and you can even use some of them in your writing. So today we're gonna do a little bit of grammar. And the thing we're going to talk about today is a super duper long word. And that super duper long word is prepositions. So can you say prepositions for me at home? Good. Prepositions. So a preposition is just a word that tells us where things are in our sentences, in our reading, in our writing. So I'm going to give you some examples. So here we go. A preposition would be inside. The pigs are inside the house. Where are the pigs? Inside. Another one, under. Under is a preposition. It tells us where something is. If I said this sentence, my pillow's under my head. Where's the pillow? Under. Over. We walked over the bridge. Beside. She is right beside me. Where is she? Beside. Near. He is near me. Where is he? Near me. Above. The clouds are above my head. Where are the clouds? Above. In. She put the balls in the basket. Where are they? Where are the balls? In the basket. And then below. She is sitting below me. Below. Where is she sitting? Below. So all of these words tell us where things are. So I have gone ahead and I have written a sentence down on my whiteboard. I'm going to show you it, and I even drew a little bit of an illustration. Now, we talked about it. Mr. Riggs is not the best at drawing, but I try my best. So I have wrote a sentence, and I want you to see if you can hear or even read it on my board the preposition. Remember, the preposition tells us where something is, okay? So here's my sentence. Let me scoot a little bit so you can see. In my decently drawn picture. Not as good as Miss Sony probably, but I'm trying. All right, so the sentence is this. The flower is under the tree. What word in that sentence tells us where something is, where it's located? The flower is under the tree. What word in that sentence tells us where something is? If you said under, you are correct. Where is the flower? It's under the tree. And even in my picture, and even if I didn't draw this picture, and I say we were in class and I said, draw the picture, and even at home you could do this. The flower is under the tree. So I know that there's a tree and a flower. My preposition tells me where that flower is located. So here's my tree. And we said it's under. So I wouldn't want to, if I drew my flower up here, is that correct? Is that what the preposition's telling us? No. It's underneath the tree. All right, good work. So go ahead and get your paper, and we're going to work on that now. All right, so the paper today looks like this. So we're working again on that grammar. So we just talked about prepositions tell us where something is. So they want us to use these words in our word bank and fill in the sentence. So we have words. Our words are this: over, below, in, under, near. Near means something's close to you. Above, by, on, next to, inside, in front of, and behind. So if you notice on your paper, you have eight questions, I guess, or 8 sentences. We definitely have more than 8 up here. So some of them could fit. There's some prepositions that are going to fit that might work for a couple sentences. So you're going to have leftover ones, but you want to make sure that you have your mom or dad check to make sure that you are correct, because there's those extra options. So we're going to do 1, 2, and 3 together, and then I want you to do 4 through 8 on your own. So we're going to do 1, 2, 3 together, and you're going to do 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 on your own. And then have mommy or daddy or grandma or grandpa or your aunt or your uncle, whoever's taking care of you today, where your learning is taking you, check and make sure you're correct. So remember, prepositions tell us where something is. So the flag is blank the school. So here is our flag. Where is our flag located? There's a couple choices. I like the choice, the flag is in front of the school. In front of the school. A lot of times flagpoles are in front of our schools. Just like at our school, they're in front. You could also use, it's kind of by it, so you could have chose the flagpole is by the school. The flagpole is near the school. Would this option make sense? The flagpole is above the school. Does that make sense? Is our flagpole above the school? No, that would be silliness. The flagpole isn't above the school. It's by, near, or in front of the school, or next to the school. All right, let's do number 2. The pail is blank the tree. The pail, let's take a look at where our pail is. Where is that pail located in relation to the tree? So where is that pail? If you said under, you are correct. Just like my picture, my example, my flower was under. Now, if I put the pail is inside the tree, would that be a good choice? No, my pail isn't inside the tree. All right, here we go. Let's do one more, and then you're going to be on your own. All right, the bar is blank the girl. The bar is blank the girl. So let's take a look at where the bar is. Here's the bar, and here's my girl. Where's the bar at? What preposition would make sense? Remember, prepositions telling us where something is. If you said above, you are correct. Prepositions help us a lot with our writing. They give us better visuals in our mind. Or if I even gave you this sentence, the bar is above the girl, and you didn't have this picture, you would know exactly where to draw the bar. You would draw it right above the girl's head. So it's always good to add some prepositions into our writing. It's always good to have it in our reading too, because it helps us give a better visual or a better idea of what's going on in the story. So go ahead and do 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 on your own, and then go ahead and do that, and then pause the video, and then when you're done, resume the video.